Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create one of the very delicious Italian recipe, that is Italian shrimp pasta with white cheese sauce. So please like my this video, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And without any further delay, let's straight into the video. Here I'm start to frying one large size of chopped onion within 100 ml of sunflower oil. After that I'm going to add 8 medium size of shrimps which I just cut in small pieces and remove the cover. Then I'm going to start to fry this shrimp within this hot oil. After that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Just keep in mind that in dark sauce there is already salt is added. Then I'm going to mix everything and stirring continuously. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of cabbage slice, half cup of spring onion and 1 large size of tomato slice. Then frying all the ingredients together. I didn't add any extra water here. Just keep in mind that in the vegetable there is already some water. Then I'm going to add 3 different colors of capsicum. I'm continuously stirring all the ingredients. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. So this is the look of my vegetable. I didn't add any extra water. So after 5 minutes, now I'm going to add some pasta which I did boiled previously with half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add all this pasta. Here I'm using 250 gram of pasta which I did boiled previously. Now I'm going to add 8 to 10 pieces of green chili just cut in middle pieces. Then I'm to start to frying, mixing all the ingredients together. After that I will add rest of the ingredients and cook it for another 5 minutes. After that I'm going to add rest of the ingredients. Here I take 2 tablespoons of garlic and hot chili tomato ketchup, which will give a sweet and sour of the flavor of this pasta. After that I'm going to add 4 scrambled eggs, which egg I did fry previously with just only half teaspoon of salt and oil. Then I'm going to add the Italian herbs, that is oregano. I will add half teaspoon of oregano, which will give a very nice flavor of this pasta, exactly as restaurant. So then I'm going to mix all the ingredients together and I will cook it for another 5 minutes in low heat of temperature. So I'm stirring all the ingredients. Now I will cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is the look of my Italian shrimp with white sauce cheese pasta. So I hope that no one will disappointed after making this recipe. And please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me know your opinion through the comments. Thank you so much for watching.